Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acetylene. 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 Acetylene is a noun that refers to a colorless, flammable gas with the chemical formula C2H2. It is an important fuel gas used in oxyacetylene welding, cutting, and various industrial applications. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Glassblowers utilize acetylene as a fuel source to create glass art and intricate glass designs. Why acetylene is used in example number 1. Acetylene is essential for glassblowing, providing the necessary heat for creating glass art and intricate designs. Example number 2. Acetylene is employed in the manufacturing of several products, such as synthetic rubber and plastics. Why acetylene is used in example number 2. Acetylene is used in the manufacturing of products like synthetic rubber and plastics. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.